What's happening, people? Hope you're well, and welcome to another video. Sorry I've taken long to do another video again. Been busy as always, and yeah, trying to hustle to get this channel going, trying to hustle to get a car for this channel. Yeah, here I am outdoors, so gonna hit a little morning, but shall I say, gonna hit a little nighttime walk. But I thought what I'll do is I'll come for a little drive, and tire's a bit flat, so to be fair, I think I better hurry up with this video and get home before this tire goes down on me. Yeah, guys, goes down on me. Bloody hell. Okay, moving on from that one. Yeah, okay, right. I've got a little diesel. Had this car before, sold it to my mate, and done a little deal with him. Got the car back. So let me flip the camera around, show you where it is quickly, and have a look. Let me know what you guys think. This is a 2-litre Sport diesel. Car is been remapped. It's stage 1, I think it is. It's running, I think, 190 something brake, if I'm not mistaken. Over 420 Newton meters. As you can see, that tire is a bit low. Rapid, it is through front tires. But yeah, let me just walk around and show you what the car looks like. Little nighttime view. Car is pretty clean, could do it for polish. But I had this car at one point, if I didn't mention that already, and car is sick. It's absolutely amazing. Needs some stuff doing to it. So I guess we've now raised up enough funds to buy ourselves a GTR. So GTR or BMW M4. I was looking at that, or F10 M5. You guys tell me what you think. Let me know what you reckon would be a better whip to get. I think the GTR is going to be, you're not going to get as much performance and luxury for the money. It's not going to cost as much, you know, for if you have a GTR, to get the kind of power gains I want and power levels that you can achieve by certain maps or certain upgrades and stuff like that. And I think that's going to be the best way to go. The M4s, on the other hand, are absolutely amazing as well, and you can get some with like literally 30 something, like 34 on the clock. I think I've seen even 40,000 miles on the clock, and people are asking for 26 grand, and I think that's absolutely astonishing value for money. Literally a brand new car. So I mean, you think of the price, what they cost when they're new, and I'm getting that car being well looked after. Of course, you know, if you get the best one, most of them look absolutely stunning. And for the value of money and what you get in for that money and the mileage you get in, I think is outstanding. So yeah, I was really looking at M4s, and I was actually going to get one this Saturday that's just been, but unfortunately I didn't, because I'm really I've wanted a GTR for a really long time, and I need to, as people say, scratch that itch, you know. So sorry I haven't been making content. Literally, weather's been shit, and I do apologize for all you people that, you know, subscribe to the channel and stuff. So stay tuned, because weather's meant to be nice this week. Tomorrow I'm going to be going for a nice little walk. I thought I'd just update you on that, drop a video tonight, show you this little bad boy I've been driving around. This little diesel is absolutely rapid. If anyone's got diesels, you probably know what I'm talking about. These modern diesels, astonishing power. The acceleration they have is insane. Comfortable, and I tell you what, you put like 20 quid diesel, and I've been ragging this for a few days now. It's rapid. It is absolutely rapid. You know, it's like, I wouldn't compare it to the TTRS, but you know, it's got pull. It's got pull, man. It's got decent amount of torque, and you can actually feel it. So I mean, the torque is pretty much, if I'm not mistaken, almost similar to the TTRS now. So I'm not sure on torque figures, but it's an amazing little car that is. Get the family around as well, so that's a touch. I wasn't sure what to do with that. Badass whip, and it's classy as well. What do you think? Love my Audis and stuff, so yeah, I think it's a nice little classic car. You know, look good, life on the throttle wagon, you know. But let's see what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll trade it up for something else. Maybe I'll do a Part X with the car I get next. Drive this there, and I will be taking you guys along for the journey. So make sure, fucking flies everywhere, mate. Make sure you subscribed if you're not subscribed, and we're going to try to do daily vlogs, and I hope you guys enjoy it. At the end of the day, it's better than not getting content. So I'd rather have people subscribe or people unsubscribe because they don't like what I'm doing. But at the end of the day, I'm pretty sure you guys are going to want to stay tuned for this. GTR on the channel, still got a TTRS, smashing it. I was thinking I was going to have to sell that to afford the GTR, but I've sold everything I have. Didn't want to get rid of the bikes, they're gone. Safety first, love my bikes though, but yeah, needed the funds really to afford a GTR. We've got the money for the GTR, so literally every night I've been watching YouTube videos on GTRs. Every night I've been looking at GTRs on eBay, Auto Trader, stuff like that. So fingers crossed this week, possibly going to be getting a GTR, but there is something else as well in the works, and that's the reason why I'm waiting. I will do a video tomorrow morning before I go for my morning jog. I will do a video and I will show you exactly what I've done. Fingers crossed my gamble pays off. If it does, we're going to be laughing. But if not, I'm just going to have to regret buying what I bought. Yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. I hope you're all well. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit subscribe. And I will see you people tomorrow, because it's today whenever you're watching this, and stay tuned for the next video and updates on that. I'll show you the car one more time and I will head on home and have something to eat and get a rest, because I've been up at like 4 in the morning. But yeah, stay tuned guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. That is looking flat, and that's what happens when you rag your front wheel drive. Just look at the beast though. I love that Iron Man look, you know. It is clean as hell. Well, make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Lots of updates, and we'll go for the morning walk and a nice little chat. Nice one, guys. Peace out and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.